Kaufman County DA killer was in court asking for a new trial. A doctor says there is something wrong with his brain. A doctor testified an MRI on Eric Williams shows brain abnormalities in that area that regulates emotion and decision making. Fox 4's Melissa Cutler outside the Kaufman County Courthouse with more on what happened today. Melissa.
Yes, Steve, defense attorneys say that there are actually two reasons that this murder conviction should be overturned and that Eric Williams should get a new trial. Earlier this morning, Eric Williams was in the courtroom, but then he asked to be excused and he went back to his jail cell. The first reason defense attorneys gave for wanting that new trial is newly discovered evidence, specifically brain scans, show that Eric Williams had injuries to the so-called emotional part of his brain. Injuries that defense attorneys argued affected his emotional state that, in fact, they say led him to make bad decisions, such as the horrific decision to shoot Kaufman County Assistant DA Mark Hassey and 2 months later, DA Mike McClelland and his wife.
All we have to show is that there's a reasonable probability that had this missing evidence been supplied at the time of trial, that the outcome would have been different.
Defense attorneys say those abnormalities could have been caused by diabetes. Diabetes, in turn, could have affected his brain by sending him into sort of a diabetic rage. That's how they described it. Defense attorneys argued that these are mitigating circumstances that could impact the minds of the jury. Now, a second motion suggested that the judge at the time had made inappropriate facial expressions as the defense attorneys were presenting their case, and they say that could have prejudiced the jury's decision as well. This hearing continues at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Steve, back to you.
All right, Melissa Cutler and Kaufman, thank you.